Look, this is beautiful. Loving this. This is a very beautiful wig. I'm gonna check their website and see if they have other colors because I'm gonna get more of these. Hello everyone, I'm not officially back yet, but I need to upload some outstanding videos. I will be making some changes to my channel soon. When I'm officially back, you will know. Enjoy. Love ya. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim Rachel here with another wig review. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining. On this channel, you'll see a whole bunch of videos. You'll see wig reviews, lots of wig reviews because I love wigs. You'll see nail videos. You'll see natural hair videos, fitness, clothing hauls, glasses videos, family vlogs. So this channel is more of a lifestyle channel, and I do have playlists for all those different things, so make sure you check out those playlists so you can see all the other stuff that I do on this channel. So welcome if you're here. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button and then you hit the bell, then you'll see. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you, I appreciate you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your support. Before we get into the details of the unit, we always have to talk about the lipstick, or I always like to call it lippy. The lippy that I'm wearing today is a collab liquid matte lipstick, and it's in the color Kink. So you've got this beautiful color here. And now into the details of this beautiful unit. I purchased this wig from March Queen Wigs on Amazon. Very affordable. The wig was, I think it was like $22 or something. I'll put it on the screen. But this here, you can't tell me this is a synthetic wig. Does this not look like a human hair wig to you? I am so loving this wig, honestly. Sometimes I can't find that perfect texture in a human hair wig. This is the perfect texture right here. So the hair is soft. It's got a good density. This is how it looks on the left side. This is the right side, and this is the back. Now, I've already put on the headband. At this point, I think I might have done the intro or showed you guys how it looks initially. So here is the Velcro headband. It's got 3 combs at the front. So you've got 2 on either side. You've got 1 in the middle. And, oh, there's no comb or adjustable straps at the back. So it's, I don't remember the color. I don't remember much of the details right now because I've been reviewing a lot of wigs. So I'm actually going to put the information on the screen. And if you are interested in purchasing this wig, the link is in the description box below. So as you can see here, I laid my edges a little bit. I always try to lay my edges a little bit when I'm doing the headband wig reviews. And I've folded the headband back. You guys already know that I like to fold back my headband. This is how it looks with the headband all the way to the front. So if you're suffering from hair loss, or if you don't feel like doing your edges, or maybe you just prefer to wear it like this, then you can wear the headband all the way forward. I like to fold it back just because I like the look. And it also helps to conceal, it helps when you're putting on the headband to conceal that black line. They also sent me, so I actually purchased this wig from March Queen Wigs. This is a headband that they sent. I like it because I don't have a headband like this yet. I have a whole bunch of the cheetah leopard print ones, whole bunch of those ones, but this is a new one. I haven't received that one, so I like this one. So I'm gonna try on this one. So you can actually wear it either on the wide side or you can wear it on the twisted side. I think I'm gonna wear it on the twisted side. So let's do that. This is a human hair dupe. Like, look at this wig. This is like a deep curly, deep wavy dupe. Really love this wig. Very, very pretty. And here comes my beautiful daughter. She's coming in the room. She's oftentimes in my videos. She's gonna say hi. Hi. She's in the room a lot of times when I'm filming my videos. Are you staying? Okay. Okay, so she's gonna stay. Cap size is comfortable. It's very soft. Getting a little bit of shedding. But it's not too much shedding. Now, I'm not going to run my fingers through it too much because I really like this wave pattern. And the more you run your fingers through it, the bigger the hair is going to get, the fluffier it's going to get. I like this defined look, so I'm going to leave it like this. Now, with synthetic wigs, it is not as easy to get the hair back into the curl pattern that it was. Now you can put, I believe I saw Miss Ebony V use mousse and get the waves back, I think. If that's the case, I will put her link in the description box below. I'm gonna try to find that video.
Okay, just take a little foam mousse. I like to use my Nairobi foam mousse or foaming lotion, whatever you want to call it. So my hair is already split in half. I'm gonna go on one side at a time.
It is synthetic, so it will tangle. Please know that. Synthetic wig, even human wigs do tangle a little bit too, but that tangling is a little bit different. Synthetic wigs get to tangling where it's like, it's very hard to do anything with it. But I mean, for the price and for the time that you'd be able to wear this wig, very beautiful. So, headband wigs. You guys, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I've reviewed a whole bunch of headband wigs. From very affordable, like this one, to, you know, a little more pricey, from synthetic to human hair, curly, straight, wavy, long, short, all different kinds. I even have some DIY ones in there as well. So you can actually take half wigs that you already own, add a headband to it, and there you go. There's your headband wig. Because headband wigs are really half wigs that have headbands sewn onto them. I have a playlist of my headband wigs that I've reviewed. Click that card and it'll give you a drop down of my videos that I suggest in this video. So make sure you check out that headband wig playlist so that you can see all the reviews that I've done on my headband wigs. Restyling options. Oh, I don't have my hair tied. So a good thing about headband wigs is that you can restyle them. They're very, very convenient, throw on and go. Like I say in all my other headband wig reviews, you can wear them to the grocery store, you can wear them to the gym, you can wear them for Zoom calls, you can wear them just lounging around the house. It's a great protective style. I do have a video where I show 9 different ways that you can style your headband wigs. Click that card above and it'll give you a drop down of the different videos and links that I suggest in this video. Go ahead, try it, click it, click it. I love headband wigs. Honestly, I think headband wigs now, wearing wigs with headbands is nothing new. I've been doing that for a while, but this whole trend thing, I'm loving it because you don't have to lay the lace. When you're buying these lace wigs, you gotta lay the lace and all this stuff, and that gets tiring sometimes, and not everybody knows how to do it. Sometimes you do it, the lace lifts. With a headband wig, throw on and go. Easy. If you guys are looking for a beautiful headband wig, this is it. Love it. Under $23. You can't beat that. You've got a human hair look for much less. Like, for this price, I suggest you go and grab it now before it gets sold out. Because a lot of times when us reviewers come out with reviews, if you're not quick enough and you don't jump on those wigs, they're gone. So even if you have to pause this, go get it, come back. I recommend this wig. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you gonna grab this wig? Do you have a wig like this already? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Anytime I upload a new video, I will let you guys know on Instagram because sometimes the notifications don't work here. They do work sometimes, so make sure you have them on. Sometimes they don't work, so I will let you know on Instagram. I also have other social media, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, TikTok. You gotta follow me on TikTok, guys. All the links are in the description box below, and it is also on my About tab here on YouTube. I will see you guys in the next video, and before we go, we gotta do the wig dance. Wig dance, wig dance, wig dance, wig dance. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.